Okay, yeah. This is a Briggs and Stratton. Oh crap, I'm not blank. Oh yeah, 12.5 horse. Cold weather's getting to me. I see gold. No carburetor. I went to it, I didn't see the crack in the back. But here's what happened. I bought it from a guy from turned 10 bucks. And yeah, it's pretty much destroyed from the inside. There's a chip in the crank. There's a crack in the lifter valve thing. And there's lots of metal pieces. Some other pieces are still good, but let's see. What was destroyed? This piece destroyed. That was all. I think I don't even know if the starter works. I don't even know if the head gasket's bad. I don't even know if the spark plug comes out. I haven't got none of that done yet. So I'm using on my tractor. I am using parts from this engine. Quite simple. But yeah.